everybody. My name is Wei Min Chen, and today I will do this experiment to prove the microwave oven can actually reheat the food inside. And I will do that experiment with my partner, who is Terrence. And so first of all, I will use the thermometer and to check the temperature of this chicken. So we can see the temperature right now is kind of about 86. Alright, so
Right now we put the chicken.
yeah, we'll put the chicken inside of the microwave oven and to reheat it about 30 minutes. About 15 minutes.
Sorry, about 50 seconds.
So time's up. And so right now we can touch it and the temperature is already higher than before, and we use this thermometer to try it again. So we can see the temperature is much higher than before. It's about kind of 100, maybe more.
Okay, Harry, can I try that? I want to measure the temperature.
Yeah, sure.
Why?
So,
This temperature is still like 90.
I believe you check the temperature is just outside of this chicken.
And
Right.
this temperature increase? Why? Why is the different part, the temperature, the total different?
Oh, okay, I see. I see what you mean. You mean like the temperature is totally different between the outside of the chicken skin and inside of the chicken.
Yeah.
All right, so I will explain this phenomenon to you in the next paragraph.
Okay, thank you.